From 37 Mcgowan in Atoka, Tennessee. So it's got a large, not quite an acre. Don't hold me to it. I think we're around 10,000 square feet under an acre. But very large lot. The possibilities are endless. Whether you want a garden, possibly accessory dwelling unit. Get your kids or your mother-in-law or in-laws on another structure out here in the future. But for the time being, just going to show you exterior view of this property. Got a storage building over there for lawn equipment or whatever you may store at your property. And it's beautiful inside. I've got another video on the interior of this property. They did a pretty good job of maintaining this home over the years, and nice counters. It is not updated to 2024 standards as far as cosmetics, but it's a great layout on the inside. And you know, some people like the look of original and do not necessarily want it updated to the latest and greatest cosmetic look of tile and all that in your bathrooms or your kitchens. But nice wooden beams, ceiling, nice size, nice ceiling height, fourth bedroom, even a fifth bedroom, in my opinion, is possible. So here's where it looks like your regular yard would be, but this is also included here. This it's the same lot. It's I'll have to double check to see if it's subdivided or not. If only difference being in that would be two separate parcel numbers. Not a big deal either way it goes, but they are together. It's like a fairly recent Carrier AC unit for your. Also has Samsung appliances inside, other than dishwasher is another brand, but stainless steel appliances inside. Back to the Carrier unit. Looks fairly new in recent years. Not sure how new, but your home inspection will determine that. And roof is looking in great shape too. The CapEx expensive items, so to speak, look to be in good shape. But I'm a real estate agent that markets and sells homes. I'm not a pro in knowing if your systems are tip-top shape. That is what a home inspection would be for, and I'd highly advise you to get one when making offers on properties, to get a home inspection and go over that report with myself or your real estate agent to see what can be done to get corrected, or if you can get a seller credit to knock some money off that price. It's different per property depending how competitive the market is for that property in that local city or even zip code, whether they would be willing to do that or not. You've got a nice yard here, extra wide gate right here too, so your lawn man or yourself can get that zero turn mower in here and cut that grass. But nice property, and I am going to upgrade to a mount so my videos are not so shaky. But nice looking property, no doubt about it. Wanted to give you an update of it. It is for sale as of January 28th, 2024. Listed at $315,000 US. Great home for someone. Could be an investment property for someone as well. It may come close to that 1% rule, being, you know, would rent for $3,000 a month. I think it would push. I haven't ran the numbers on showmetherent.com or Rent-A-Meter or even comps for rentals in the area, but I could do so if you're interested at all. If I can help you at all, give me a buzz or a message. Cell phone 901-461-6357. Thank you.